We're here today to check out Upper and Lower Rosseau Falls.
Upper Rosseau Falls is located off Highway 141, so we're going to check that out first, and then we'll go down to the Lower Rosseau Falls, and it flows into Lake Rosseau, so let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Game face. Let's do it.
Do it!
So we've made it to the other side.
So you cross Highway 141 and go over the barrier and then down to the Upper Falls.
Okay, so it doesn't look like a lot, although it's very pretty. You can't really get to the starting of the falls on the other side of the road. The main access is private property, and the other side is too steep and very naturalized, but we're not really going to be able to get to walk on it like we are here.
The Upper Rosseau Falls is absolutely gorgeous. It flows down the rocks here, and with the sunset right now, it is absolutely stunning.
Droning.
Awesome. You want to have a little snack?
Yeah, did you find a spot for us?
We could sit over on the rocks right there.
Okay, that's cute.
I brought us a little snack.
I don't know if the audio working so great.
Oh yeah, true.
Ready to head back to the truck, go see the Lower Falls?
We have to go back to the truck?
Yeah, gotta get in the truck, drive down the road, down a different road.
Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, it's about 1 kilometer away, so I guess that makes sense.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
So you go down Rosseau Lake Road 3 and drive until you get to the 1-lane bridge, and then you're at Lower Rosseau Falls.
All right, let's go check it out.
Let's go.
So that was the mundane side. Let's go see the epic side.
Okay. We have to go across the road for that?
Yeah. On a Dillon scale of 1 to 10 for hardness, this one's a 2. It's very easy. There's no hike to get to it. You park right there, and you can spit gum out your window and hit the falls. Just don't do that. That's littering. You made it.
We made it.
We made it.
So Lower Rosseau Falls flows under the bridge and then out into Lake Rosseau.
Tell me something, it might just take the pain away. See, I've been thinking a million things I want to say. Now I'm looking in your eyes, but I'm wandering to your lips. See, I'm trying to keep it cool while I'm hovering for the kiss. 'Cause I've been needing you like old-fashioned orange slice, sweet like daiquiri with strawberry crushed ice. Know you like a margarita with the hot spice. Love the taste of paradise. No, it's never been the right time.
So cool to build a house here.
Oh, that would be amazing.
Well, not
Well,
here.
not a house necessarily, but like a cottage or cabin or something.
Right, but I also would want this like hours away from general public.
Right.
So a lot of the year, this part here is all underwater with snow melt, rainfall, and the water level gets a bit higher. It all pours over here. That's why it's so smooth, the erosion of water. But it's really cool to come here at a time where you can walk in these parts.
Hey!
Oh no!
Oh! Hey!
Ah! All right, I think we're gonna wrap it up here. I really encourage anybody in the area, or if you're coming through the area, to come check this one out. Again, a Dillon score of difficulty 2. It's like a 2 or more like a 3 or 4 if you want to take the rocks all the way down. But you can go a grass route. There's a pretty obvious trail, and then you can pop out anywhere else that you want on the rocks on the way down. But to get past any of the dangerous areas, you can just take the little trail and then come out on any gorgeous rock spot.
And the lower Rosseau Falls is definitely more scenic and aesthetic looking than the upper Rosseau Falls, but both are nice.
Yeah, a couple more mosquitoes here.
That's true.
Yeah, the other one being on a highway, not as much, but come check it out.
All right, guys, we'd appreciate if you subscribe and hit the like button and turn on notifications so you get notified when we post new videos, and we'll see you on the next one.
She wears sandals to go see waterfalls on a hike, and then freaks out about a snail. Where's she want? I want to send this to Lake Rosseau.
Oh dear. We did it!